Hey guys, and welcome back to Four Oaks Crafts on YouTube. Today I have a short video for you, and I'll be showing you how I made a wedding cross for my niece Jamie. So grab your drill and saw, and let's get started. Back in December of last year, my sweet niece asked me if I would make her a wooden cross in time for her July 14th wedding. That gave me plenty of time to plan and build this project, and I met the deadline with time to spare. The wedding ceremony was perfect. I wish her and her new husband all the best in the years to come. Maybe you'd like to make a cross for an upcoming wedding, or maybe for your church, or what about your own yard? I hope this video will inspire you and help you make an awesome wooden cross. Thanks for watching.